In this video, I'll be making a collage style design, but I won't be using Photoshop. I'll be using Microsoft Paint from Windows 98. Yeah, let's go. So before we get started, let me remind you, if you're looking for more tips, tricks, hacks, tutorials, or other design inspiration videos, then make sure you click that subscribe button. And also don't forget to click that notification bell to get notified every time that I post a new video. I'm posting new videos every week, so you definitely want to stick around. So we've been doing this series for a few weeks now, and the series is called Made in Paint. And the way this works is you tell me what you want me to design, and I have to design it. The only problem is I can't use Photoshop or Illustrator. I have to use Microsoft Paint from Windows 98. And to make things even harder, I only have 20 minutes to come up with a design based on your suggestions. This week's theme is called Mountain Moving Faith, and it comes from Harry Collins over on Instagram. So thanks, Harry, for sending that in. So I'm going to set 20 minutes on the timer here, and we're going to get started. Okay, so Mountain Moving Faith. So we're here in jspaint.app, which is an online version of Microsoft Paint. I'm doing it in Google Chrome. And so I wanted to do like a collage style design. And so the way we're going to do that is to bring multiple images in and try and cut out some of the shapes in those images and put them all together. And that's easy in Photoshop, but in Microsoft Paint, because we don't have layers, we're going to have to try and find some ways around this. So I've kind of got a concept of how I'm going to do this, but we're just going to see if we can do it in a 20-minute window. So the first thing I want to do is I've already got some images from unsplash.com, and I'm going to start tracing around them. The first one I'm going to do is this mountain, but I need to import this through the browser. So we go File, we go Image, File, Paste From, this is it, Edit Paste From, and then we go to Downloads, and then we're going to choose this mountain here, and we want to crop it. Okay. Again, paste from, I'm going to crop that like so. Okay, and now I'll try and bring, this is the problem with Microsoft Paint, is it's just, if you make one mistake, it's so unforgiving. To close that right now, let's just try and shrink this down. I can't constrain proportions, so I just have to be really careful about how we do this. And this sign's going to keep coming up because I'm using transparent backgrounds at the moment. Okay, so the aim is that I can bring this out. Can I save this to keep that from going away? Okay, maybe that will go away for now. Okay, so what I want to do is try and get rid of the sky and just keep the background. So let's try and cut as much as possible out. Cut. Boom. All right, so now we're going to zoom in to like 200%. And now we're going to really quick just get rid of this background here. Let's go View, Zoom to Window. All right, I think that's a pretty good mask on that. That's not too bad. So I'm going to go File. And I'm going to go File, Save As, and then we're going to call this Mountain, like so. Save as a JPEG. Okay, let's just double check that that looks how it's meant to look. Okay, cool. So now the next step is to basically get rid of this layer here. I'm just gonna select all of that. cut. Okay, and so now we're going to bring in the other one I want to mask. So we go edit, paste from. We're going to bring in this guy here. Crop it. Okay, so this is going to be one of those ones where we have to adjust this quite a lot because we cannot constrain proportions. I think if you were to ask me like what's the biggest thing in Microsoft Paint that I would want to keep, is probably constraint proportions, because you never get it quite right after you've like moved it around in and out and side to side. You never get it quite how it was meant to look in the first place, but that's okay. We're going to work with what we got. Okay, so now I'm just going to trace around this one like so. And so we're gonna go, come on, C and V maybe? Okay, I think I've actually did that wrong. We actually want to select the other side, don't we? So let's take that away there, edit, cut, we'll take this bit away here as well. Let's try doing Control X, maybe Command X. Whoa, look at me. Command X. Cool. I feel like a real pro now. Okay, and then now what we're going to do is just go with the eraser. We're going to zoom in. How are we doing for time? We've got 11 minutes. Okay. I've got 8 minutes. I think we might be able to do this. View, zoom, zoom to window. Okay, so now we're going to go File, Save As, Person, and we're going to save that as a PNG. So now we're going to get rid of that. If this works, I'm going to be very impressed with, one, Microsoft Paint, but also myself. So you can be here to witness me congratulating myself. Okay, so File, Paste From. So now we're going to do the background. So we're going to go to this one. I liked this. Crop. Okay, that's fine. View. Let's make it smaller in size. Go away. Some kind of glitch that keeps causing that window thing to open up. Crop. Blah, blah, blah. I'm sorry I have to keep watching. I'm just going to leave it up, but on the other side of the screen. Okay. So that's going to stay put now. So let's just zoom out a little bit further. Let's do like 35%. Ah, I'm glad I did that. So now we want to select that and make that bigger. All right, cool. So now we're gonna go edit, paste from, and we're going to do the next set of mountains. Like that. There we go. I'm going to move this slightly up actually. All right, I'm feeling good about this. We've got 6 minutes left. It's bigger. Move this up more. Like so. Okay. Edit. Paste from. Do the mountain piece. Boom. All right, cool. Edit. Paste from. Okay. All right. I mean, that's not bad. I think that's pretty good going so far. So, what should we do next? I wish I could change like the colors and temperature and that kind of thing, but we haven't got a chance. So, extras. Anything in extras? Anything else I can do? Okay, I've got 5 minutes left, so let's just start working on the rest of this now. So let's add some text in. Let's just see if I can do anything with. Okay, definitely don't want to do that. Yeah. Okay, maybe if I do like a circle or something in here. Maybe like, that's not gonna work. I wanted to do like a glow, but the glow will be awful. So let's try a circle in like a solid color. And then, again, there's no constraint proportions on this. Okay, cool. And then now we're going to import that thing. And then now it's going to look like I've done some like clever masking with the layers. Okay. And then we're going to do some text here. And we're going to just type in, it's going to be in that same yellow. And we're going to do it in, let's just go Georgia for now and see how it looks. Like that, like 100. Let's see if we can do anything else with it. Oh, come on, Helvetica's on here. What am I talking about? Let's do this. So make that small like that. Okay, I just got to try and work out where the center is now. It's probably something like that. Can I do a star? Do I dare try and make a star? No, we've got 2 minutes, so that's not going to happen. Let me try and redo the text so that it's like stacked up on top of each other. It's like this. Like central. My proportions are way off, so we'll give it a go. All right, 1 minute. Can I do like a glow around the outside quickly? No. I just wish I could like blur that more. Let's do like a. No, it's not gonna work. Quick, what can I do in a minute? Okay, I think that's it. I think that's all I'm gonna be able to do. I'll try adding like an orangey glow. Image, colors, how long have I got? 39 seconds. Okay. No chance. May just add a little bit of yellow around image, edit, colors, 20 seconds, do a bit of this. Not sure why, but we'll do it. All right, his time is up in 3, 2, 1. Okay, it doesn't look amazing, but I was surprised I was able to do the collage style thing in Microsoft Paint. Like I think that's one step further than I thought Microsoft Paint could go. So I'm quite happy with that. I wish the text was slightly more centered, personal preference, and I wish that I could change the color temperatures, especially on that like subject and that rock at the front, like making that a bit more blue/green. But I'm pretty happy with that. I don't think that's too bad of a job. So there you have it. Let me know in the comments what you think about this design, and also let me know what I should do next in the Made in Paint series. If you've enjoyed this video, then why not leave a like? It really does go a long way to helping this channel, and also consider subscribing for plenty more videos like this to come. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.